that you're here. And today's video, oh my gosh, we're going to talk about the greatest thing. We're going to talk about the Icare water care system. This is the absolute best thing you can get for your hot tub. And I will be right back to tell you everything that this thing does and talk about an ultimate Christmas present. This is it. I'll be right back. Hey folks, I'm so excited you're here, and hey, if you find this information helpful, please give me a thumbs up and let me know what you're thinking. Give me a comment, tell me what you're thinking about this, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and of course hit the notification bell so that you know that you are getting all the latest information that I'm giving to you. But today I am going to talk about the Icare water care system. Oh my gosh, you guys, this thing is the ultimate. This is the best gift you can get anybody for Christmas this year for the holidays. It's the best gift you can get your hot tub, and it's the best gift you can get yourself. This thing, I tell you what, it is amazing. So what it is, it's actually this little guy right here, and it floats around in your hot tub. And this thing it's rechargeable, so you don't need batteries or anything like that. In fact, I've had mine in my hot tub now for about 3 months and I still haven't charged it. So it comes with this really cool app, and this app is amazing. And I'll put a picture or a video right next door. But what this thing does is, oh my gosh, it's wow. It tells you the temperature of your hot tub. It tells you what your sanitation level is. It tells you what your pH is. It tells you what your alkalinity is. And it sends you notifications if things are off. It has this really cool little dial that tells you if it's green, yellow, blue, or red. If it's red, you don't get in it. If it's blue, everything's good to go. And if it's green and yellow, it's starting to need some adjustments. The best thing about this is it actually will give you, on the screen, it'll actually give you recommendations of the exact dosages that you need for your hot tub. So no more having to come into the store and get a water test. No more trying to read the silly test strips and trying to figure that out. This thing is wow. It is absolutely amazing. You do need a Wi-Fi connection. And the beauty of this thing, unlike some of the competitors that are out there, this thing is built to last. It is built to last and handle it. So one of the things, a lot of the ones that are out there, they're disposable. So like these sensors here, when they go bad, you have to get rid of them. And you just throw the whole thing away and you start all over and you just buy a new one. With this, you actually just replace these sensors. This thing is built to last. It's gonna last a really super long time. This weighted thing here, it does really well. I mean, it has a 2-year warranty, so it is absolutely amazing. And one of the coolest features that it has is once you get it all synced up at your house, you can actually share a code with me or with the store, and we can actually also monitor your hot tub as well. And we'll give you a call if something's going on, like if your temperature's dropping too low, or hey, you know, like the other day I just called the customer and I'm like, hey, I was just looking at it today and it looks like you need to add 2 teaspoons of pH decreaser. Totally and completely appreciated that. And it's just, and you have it on your own phone, and if you don't want to share it with us, you don't have to, but if you'd like to share it with us, you sure can. So it's just total peace of mind. This thing, absolutely the best gift you can get yourself this year. It takes all the guesswork out of your hot tub. And if I've been doing this for 20 plus years, and if there's anything out there that people get frustrated with on your hot tub, is not knowing their water chemistry. This guy right here, the Icare, oh my gosh, it is the bomb, and it takes care of all that for you. You just look at it. It tells you to the letter what you need to do to fix it. So it's absolutely awesome. One of the things that it does, it also takes everything into consideration when it comes to sanitizer level. It doesn't necessarily test you by your part per million, which most people are used to seeing. It actually tests you by a commercial level. That commercial level actually takes in consideration your total dissolved solids, your pH, your alkalinity, because sanitizers work better in different levels. And this guy right here, he takes advantage of, or takes all that into consideration when it gives you your recommendations. So it's just like having a water lab at your home. This guy, amazing. Get it, buy it, do it, hook it up to your internet. I do have another video that I'll link up here that tells you how to hook it up. But this guy, I'm telling you guys, this is the Christmas present that you want. Get yourself an Icare water care system, and your hot tub ownership is going to be a breeze from this point forward. Hey guys, if you like this information, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, ask me a question down below. I will answer all questions on this. The Icare is absolutely amazing. I will put a link down below where you can actually purchase this, or you can always give us a call at the store and we'll get you taken care of. And we do have some super special deals on anybody that buys this between now and Christmas. And you guys, this is it. This is what you want. So anyway, just remember, keep making life epic, and shoot me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Absolutely love each and every one of you, and I hope you have an amazing day.